Okay, you are where you're from?
Germany.
No, where are you from? Your country?
Originally,
Yes.
Jamaica and Dominicano. My mom is Dominicano. My dad is Jamaica. You know.
Oh, Jamaica. Oh, yes, yes.
What about you?
Somali.
Somalia.
Yes.
Damn. But where are you in? You say Saudi?
I'm live. No, Saudi Arabia.
Now.
Yes, I'm live Saudi Arabia. This my country, Somalia.
But why are you in Saudi Arabia? Come here in Sweden.
Sweden.
Yeah, you don't like?
Sure, one day.
You don't like Sweden?
Come. No,
You don't like?
I like Sweden. This no, I'm live Saudi Arabia.
Where in Saudi Arabia? Where?
It's Arab.
Where? No.
Though
Which place? What the city of Saudi Arabia?
you know Mecca.
Wait, let me look. Can you write? I'm gonna search.
Okay.
Yes, I'll be fucked up if it can be right.
You know, so in Somalia is دولة أفريقية.
What?
Africa.
Hmm?
Somalia is Africa.
Somalia.
Yes.
Okay.
What? Okay.
But I'm waiting till you type Makkah. I wanna search, like, I wanna see how far is from my country to Saudi Arabia, you know?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't type still yet anything, you know? Are you
What's
Somali?
your?
You Somali, right?
Yes, I'm Somalia. My country is Somalia.
But why you don't wanna show your face? Like, you see my face. I wanna.
You start life.
Bro, what the fuck thinks people I'm live? Like, I'm just chill. It's my free time, okay?
You are live.
No, I'm not live. Not live. I'm chill.
Wallah.
It's my free time. Damn. You Somali?
All boys start life.
You from Somalia? All boys what?
Four boys is life.
Really?
So no,
I'm good guy.
you are not.
I'm not someone who do that shit. But look, like, wait, you have tattoo?
Sure.
Tattoo.
No, I'm Muslim.
What is this you have on your hand?
It's nice color.
Ah, it's color.
Yes.
But I can't lie. Your nose, your eyes, your lips. It's beautiful, you know.
Thank you. But you are not Muslim. Yes. It's normal. You have. You know. I don't know English.
Mm-hmm.
Little.
Mm-hmm. But
Me, I don't know
if
English.
I'm not Muslim, is that problem? If you I talk to you.
No, no problem.
Yeah, like it's just like you are Muslim, I respect you. I'm respect.
Yes, me, and respect to you.
Yeah, like that's all normal, you know.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah, what's your name?
Sumaya,
Shumaya?
Sumaya.
I'm
Yes,
Alex.
Alex.
Yeah.
You هون كيف أحكي؟ I don't know English. You one.
Mm-hmm. No, no, easy. You can explain me. Just chill. Don't stress, you know.
Okay. Um, I don't know boys African.
Mm-hmm.
You يعني you one وأنا
Ah, you have one friend, African.
I don't have one. I don't have.
You don't have?
I don't talk African boys on this. It's
Okay.
you one.
I am first person.
Yes.
Eh,
First
and
one. I'm talking African.
and
Wallah.
what do you think? I'm good or
Mashallah, good.
really?
You are good. You are man.
I'm very good.
Yes.
Wait, where you from?
Saudi Arabia.
Originally.
Somalia.
Somali boys look like me or
Looks. You. Same.
really?
Yes, same.
Same.
All now. All African.
No, no, no. I mean like they beautiful, they handsome,
Yes. Oh. 50-50. 50 your same, 50 different.
but you don't. You like Somali boys?
Sure what?
You like Somali boys?
Yes.
Really?
Wallah.
Oh, you don't
Really.
like me?
I like Somali, my Somali boys. Best African, Arab, British,
Mhm.
normal.
It's normal.
Yeah, yes.
So maybe also
No
you.
problem. No problem.
Oh, no problem. Maybe also you like me.
No problem. Beside me, I don't understand English.
No, no, no. I will teach you maybe English. No problem.
Best African, mashallah, good English, good.
Really?
Well, good. It's my um, Somalia teacher is English. It's African.
Oh, really?
Yes, talky good. Yeah, English good.
You have a boyfriend?
Yes,
You have a boyfriend?
yes, but Muslimin. I don't have boyfriend. Same. Yeah, yeah, Rabbi.
What?
Relationship. You know relationship.
You have relationship?
Yes.
Who?
Oh, what's your name? Alex.
I'm Alex. Yeah.
I'm Alex.
Alex,
Alex. بقول لك انت.
you have relationship with Alex?
Alex.
You have relationship with Alex?